Hi, I'm back with two lottery tickets. I did not have much luck with the expensive ticket before and have more luck with the cheaper ticket. Like last time I won 20 bucks on this $1 cat explosion, and I won 100 bucks on this $2 quick 100 bucks. So check out my other video if you haven't seen them. I will put the link below. Alright, let's get started. Wow, doesn't look so good so far. Doesn't look good at all. Make another 5. Wow, this is just another losing ticket. Just another losing ticket. Alright, see this one. I just have matching my number to the quick number over here. Got 11, 5, 20, 12, 6, 9, 10, 8, 2, and 14. Let's see. 4. No, we don't have any number 4. And 16. Oh man, this is just another losing ticket again. Well, thank you for watching.